Alright, I think today is day 14, if I remember right. But anyways, so I did a little recording yesterday, but I didn't record everything. So the GoPro died and I had some help come over and we were running out of daylight. But we got this done. So we got like 6 more panels up yesterday. They look pretty good. I gotta put a bunch of screws in these because we didn't get all of them, but I was gonna get up there today, put screws in there, and then I'm pretty sure I can get above the door by myself. So I'm gonna try it out. That's the plan for today. Right there. I think I'm done for the day. We just gotta do that far wall. The end of day 14. Alright, it's the beginning of day 15. Let me get this set up. Had Ethan and Lucas help me out today. Little Dad's giving them a run through. So we'll get the camera set up so we can see what is going on. Let's see here. Let's see put this. You can try as hard as you can, never gonna bring me down. You're gonna fight, but I'm gonna win, never gonna bring me down.
End of day 15. We got all the walls up. We still got to rip that. And I got to do corner trim here, the whatever roof trim or whatever the heck that's called, and then corner trim there, and then we can start on the roof tomorrow. There's a few of these that are still missing some screws, but so it looks like all 4 walls are done. Big thanks to Jason for volunteering his 2 boys to come help me, Ethan and Lucas. That's pretty awesome. We finally got 4 walls. And it looks half-assed decent. Here we go, we're just cleaning up. It's the end of day 15.